Hey, it's Jack. Monday morning. Looking at the indexes this morning, the Dow Jones is in complete bearish territory. It's by far the worst of the three. It's below all three of my trend points in my software. Very bearish. When we got the S&P 500, it's below 2 out of 3 trend points. It's also bearish. Not as bearish as the Dow, but its S&P index is very bearish. And then you got the QQQ, and that's slightly bearish. As a matter of fact, it's kind of strange when you look at it in trend point software. There's two trend points that are almost overlap exactly on top of each other, the short term and the intermediate term, and the index is just below that. So it's going to have a little bit of resistance. But of the three, the QQQ and the tech stocks are the ones that are most likely to stage a little bit of a rally between here and the end of the year. And I think that's going to happen. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but can you believe we're already in the fourth quarter of 2023? It's October already. Amazing. So the tech is the strongest of the three, the tech index, and within that index, there was a lot of stocks that had made a 52-week high recently, in August, early September, and now they're trading much lower than that 52-week high, and they've got a little bit of resistance overhead, but it's that tech market that's going to be the one that rallies before the end of the year. Now, a lot of hedge funds and institutions, they also want that to rally. They're going to want to kind of push this stuff up going into the end of the year and end 2023 on a high note. So we might see that rally come a little bit quicker and then see a little bit of profit taking. I don't think it'll run up right until the end of the year, but I'm looking in this last quarter for a big rally. Now, whether or not we get that, I got to show you these geese. Whether or not we get that, see them over there? Whether or not we get that rally right away won't matter, because now that we're in this fourth quarter, you're also going to see a pickup in options volume, tremendous pickup in options volume. And again, now if you did that little exercise I wanted you to do last week, where you picked an option and you watched it expire worthless, you're really going to see a lot of that option expiring worthless type stuff in this last quarter. There's going to be a lot of hedge funds and institutions that would rather buy call options than buy the stock. They have a fear of missing out if there is a rally here in this fourth quarter. So that call option and the put option volume is going to go up. And really, this last 3 months, it's going to be prime time for selling options and watching them expire worthless and keeping 100% of the premium you brought in, when you sold the option. And the other cool thing I love about selling options, if I didn't already mention this, is you see that cash hit your account instantly. The second that trade gets executed when you're selling options, that cash hits your account. It comes directly from the buyer. And you keep that no matter what, even if the trade doesn't work out. You get to keep that premium. So you got that going for you.